Alright then, so it's MG Cup round 2 weekend now, so we just turned up to Penybont. Show off some of the ground behind me. They got their lovely new turnstile there just behind Joe, sorting out his bag. One of the lovely improvements they've made to start off this season. So today it's Penybont versus Goytre United. So obviously last season Penybont won the Welsh Football League Division 1. Goytre United finished around 5th, I think. So realistically there should be a relatively close-ish game, and will be interesting to see what happens really. Right, the two teams coming out. Goytre United are in the red with a little white and blue little bits, and Penybont are in the blue and white kit. Big fan of Penybont's kit for this year actually. Looks very nice. Not exactly a capacity crowd over on the other side, and we are 2 of 4 in this stand. I'm not sure about the other stand over the other side of the gantry, but I can't imagine it's teeming with excitement and life for this match. So yeah, I'll try and get a bit more positivity going, and we'll get into the first half now. Right, we're underway here now then. I apologise in advance about the wind. There's not that much I can do. It's windy. You're going to have to accept that. It's a Welsh football vlogging channel. Minute. Oh! There was an element of luck with that with the wind, but Christ, that would have been a good start. Penybont are doing a couple of little movements on this left hand side. Beating him. Puts it in. Ooh, good header. I'm not sure how much you can see of it from there. If it wasn't so windy and I wasn't so lazy, I'd stand so you got a better view, but sorry about that. I'll tell you what, this number 11's quick. He's just absolutely done the Penybont defence. That was cracking play. Right, now we got a throw in now after that unbusted. Oh, he's just sort of knocked it away from his own player there. See what Penybont can do now on a sort of counter attack. That's a quality tackle. Brilliant tackle. Nice switch that as well. Oh, he's just destroyed him there. Oh. Tell you what, Goytre United are looking very decent in this game. You've got a Penybont free kick. That's a good whip. There's no need to punch that behind. That was comfortably sailing behind. They'll have a corner now. Alright, we've got that corner now. Oh, speculative. Ball's broken to this number 11. He's going to skin him. Oh, good save. If he'd have squared it, they just had a tap in. Another cracking chance. Oh, corner's got through. Oh, good header away. Ooh. That is a classic foul. Good on him there. That's the kind of shithousing we love. Free kick to Goytre. Similar positions when they hit the bar. Good header across. Oh, good foot away. Headed back across. Oh, massive chance to Goytre United. 1-0 Penybont. Didn't actually catch it all. Cracking ball over the top. Good touch, turn away from the defender. Turns, wraps it with his left foot into the bottom corner. Cracking goal. 1-0 to the hosts. Oh, that was a good chance then. Free header at the front post, that should have been on target. Right, we've got a Penybont corner. They have looked relatively dangerous from the last couple. And obviously, as I say that, it's shit. Oh. 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 Corner Penybont. Ball in, headed out. Oh. That's the second time he's tried it and it's not got any better. Alright, I'm very confused. I've just seen a red card. I think it's to the player who's just gone off, but I'm not entirely sure. So I think it's safe to say Goytre United are down to 10 men. So despite their very, very strong showing in the first half, that's probably them done and dusted. Oh, that's a pen. Yeah, that's right. Good decision that from the ref. Also, is the injured player who got sent off with the rookie dickhead error of managing to injure himself whilst fouling someone. So, yeah, we got a penalty. Here we go. We're into the last sort of minute or two of the first half. We got something of proper interest. See whether Goytre United can make it 1-1. They do make it 1-1. Good penalty. Right, it's half time. It's 1-1. I'm going to get some food. Right, two teams are back out for the second half. Another ground with lovely chicken curry and chips. Only £2.20 here. £3 a brain ferry. So, not really good enough. Yeah, we'll get into it again, I suppose, now. Oh, mistake at the back. 11's in. Oh. Well. That's an atrocious miss. Down to 10 men as well. Got to be taking chances like that. Oh. Oh. That's about, what, 30 seconds after Goytre United's open goal miss. And that's what happens. You get punished. I'll be honest. But like I said about Goytre United's defence is better. But 2-1 to Penybont. Right, Penybont corner. Oh. Alright then. Right, Goytre corner. Oh, peeled off the back post. Oh, the rain is reaching us. It looked like a bit of a shout there. See whether Penybont will counter quickly, please, before I move. Alright, Penybont. Oh, save, good touch. Oh, that's just classic. This weather is absolutely fucking terrible. There's no other way to describe it than that. It's fucking terrible. It's the 9th of August, like. Oh. He wasn't offside. Just too quick. Oh. Cracking ball. Oh. That's it. Oh. It was set nicely, just couldn't direct it. Oh. Oh. One far off there. Oh, fall. 3-1 Penybont. Quality ball in that. Good finishes off. Speed coming. The red card has sort of ruined Goytre United's hopes in this match, really. Yeah, there's not really much else to say. Right. Oh! What a goal! About 5 minutes left. 4-1. Alright, we've got about 2 or 3 minutes left. Penybont have a free kick in a very good position. Oh! That's a good effort, that, even with a little deflection. I'll have a corner. Ref's looking at his watch, so maybe my timekeeping is slightly off. That was a pick by the number 8, by the way. see whether they can make it 5-1. Alright then. I can see what they were trying to do, but the execution was not quite there. Oh. And number 14 is deceptively quick.
Yeah, he looks old.
Alright then, that's full time. Penybont run out 4-1 winners. A couple of really good goals, a couple of really shit goals. Terrible weather. That pretty much sums it all up in a couple of words. It was pretty entertaining for a Friday night game. I'm not entirely sure whether that's a particularly good result in terms of Penybont trying to survive next season. Goytre United looked very dangerous. Penybont did look a little bit dodgy, and the red card sort of mars the result a little bit. Other than that, there's not much else to say. So, yeah, catch you next time.